From vapes to laptops and electric cars, much of modern life depends on rechargeable batteries. But you've probably seen the warning signs telling you not to put them into the bin when you finish with them. So where do they go? Well, a company in the Black Country has unveiled a new way to recycle them and retrieve the important metals they contain, potentially ready to be used to make new batteries. Here's our science correspondent, David Gregory Kumar.
This is the end of the line for the batteries we all increasingly depend on. Rechargeable lithium-ion batteries are used in everything.
Smartwatches, phones, laptops, all the way up to
e-bikes, cars, trains, forklift trucks, energy storage.
These blue barrels are full of old batteries, but until now there's been nowhere in this country to recycle them. So where have they all been going?
Before now, people have been stockpiling them. There have been some capacity elsewhere in the world for recycling, and they've been being shipped out, but we are the first UK company to be recycling lithium-ion batteries.
We all use them, but recycling these batteries is hard. You might recognise these sorts of warning symbols that give a clue as to what the problem is, because when you puncture, let alone try to break them into pieces, this happens. You can see this explosive tendency makes any attempt at recycling pretty difficult. So how is this machine shredding lithium-ion batteries of all sizes with no big bangs? Well, the destruction of the battery doesn't happen in air. It happens in an artificial nitrogen atmosphere.
That then stops the fire and the explosion, and it enables us then to recover everything that goes in the front end. We recover at the back end in one form or another, and zero to landfill.
And then it's sophisticated and tried and tested recycling tech. You can get back aluminium and copper and plastic, and also something really interesting called black mass.
And this is black mass. It's a mixture of cobalt, nickel, manganese and lithium. It's what you need to make new batteries. Now at the moment this goes overseas for separation and then to be turned into batteries in China. But if you can extract it here, well, then you could have a battery plant here and make new batteries in this country.
A cutting-edge way to reuse the vital components we need for our electric future. David Gregory Kumar, BBC Midlands Today, Wolverhampton.